Weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Made it to the second day of the work week with slightly warmer temperatures than out there yesterday. We actually did make it up to 35. Temperatures still rising a little bit in Rockford, which was spot on with the most trusted forecast. 32 in Rochelle, though. There is a slight wind chill out there in a few areas. The majority of the area doesn't actually have one factored in, but Sterling does. It's 36 out there, but feels like 31. Monroe at 29 with a wind chill down to 23 degrees. But we did have lots of sunshine out there, which was good news. That did help boost temperatures initially, still continuing to do so in some areas, but for the most part temperatures are now cooling down a little bit. That trend going to continue into tonight. Not as cool of weather in the forecast tonight compared to what we reached earlier this morning. Our temperature low actually fell all the way down to 16 degrees. It was very chilly. SkyTrack camera overlooking downtown Rockford. Our Supply Corps camera that's sponsored by Window World showing that sunshine out there. Radar not showing anything. We will initially see a few clouds develop overnight. Could see a few stray showers out of that. For the most part, I do think that'll be virga, not actually going to make its way to the ground. It'll evaporate before making its way to ground level. We will start to see things clear out for the most part early tomorrow morning, but then clouds are going to be quick to rebound for the afternoon. Really, I do think by mid to late morning, that's when we're going to see cloud cover work its way back in for sure by the afternoon, evening, and the overnight hours. That stays in place ahead of next system that reaches us by Thursday, probably sometime around lunchtime for the most part, south and then also west of Rockford. That's around lunchtime, about noon. Then those showers continue to track a little bit further towards our northeast, becoming a little bit more widespread. Not going to be a soaking rain. We're probably only talking about a quarter up to half an inch of rain, but that will transition into the evening, potentially the overnight hours as a rain snow mix. I don't think there'll be much of an accumulation just because ground temperatures will be warmer, and then also our rain kind of keeps things, at least snow, from accumulating on places like the roadways. There might be a little bit on elevated surfaces, and then also Saturday behind that low pressure system could see some light scattered snow showers occur then too, but again, I don't think that'll be an accumulation. We do dry up after that, and temperatures are really going to fall after that cold front Friday, Saturday, but then we will see a quick rebound to temperatures still below average though for Saturday, Sunday, and then into the start of next week's work week. So accumulating snow, that's going to stay northeast and also northwest of our area. Severe weather, that stays southwest of us. So bullseye for that slight risk for Thursday. That's kind of areas like Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana. The generalized thunderstorms, those don't even get into our area. So for us across the state line, Thursday's system going to be some rain at times, and then potentially that rain snow mix on the end of that system with that cold front. Winds will pick up though, so they are going to be a little bit of a factor. Gusts around about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Those come back into place then tomorrow afternoon. A few areas could squeeze about 30 or so miles per hour out. And then we are going to see winds kind of stay fairly gusty overnight and then into Thursday morning as well. As far as temperatures go, it looks like we are going to stick with a below normal temperature trend for March. This is 19th to the 23rd, so mid to late of the month. It looks like we'll either see likely below average temperatures or kind of near normal. Precipitation kind of reversed though, above normal precipitation's likely. Kind of a wetter pattern out for west like California, places like that on the coast. 21 will fall to tonight, but again, not as bad as last night when we woke up to 16. A few clouds work their way in, but it's still going to be cooler than normal. 49 tomorrow, close to that 50-degree mark. I do think that's when gusts are going to start picking up tomorrow afternoon. 20 to 25 miles per hour, but back to a warmer pattern for the time being. So we'll be close to 50 tomorrow, back to the mid-40s though on Thursday, mid-30s Friday, and then Eric Mimi 29 on Saturday. So not that good, but at least the 20s don't last either.